May the 4th be with you. No, I know it's not May the 4th just yet, but we've got it coming up, and we've got some knives here that we want to show you for May the 4th. And starting off with the STORMTROOPER. Now this one's really cool. Let's take a look at that one up close right there. This is the EXOCET. So this one, you're going to have the Tonto blade. It's going to be partially serrated. This one's coming in at 343. It's going to have the white Cerakote on the housing right there, and you're going to have the STORMTROOPER logo right there. We've got several of different variations of this one. We've also got the double-edged variation right there. That's got the partially serrated on one side, and then the straight edge on the other side. Of course, again with the STORMTROOPER logo. And we've also got the Sand Trooper. Now, here's something that's really cool. And while we're showing you these knives, we actually just got back from going to see Microtech and their facilities. That video is going to be coming out, a behind-the-scenes look at what goes on inside Microtech and their production over there in Asheville, North Carolina. And it was a really cool experience. We got to see all of their production facility and do some filming. We got to talk to Tony Marfione himself, and that's a video that you're not going to want to miss. In addition to the STORMTROOPER knives, we've also got the Jedi knives. Now these are coming in at $328, again with the EXOCET. We've got the blue, and we've got the green right here. Now the differences between these two, not only on the blade Cerakote, but also on the pocket clip and the back end right there. You're going to have the bronze version on the green, and you're going to have the blacked out on the blue one right there. And then of course we've got the granddaddy of them all, and that is going to be the Bounty Hunter Combat Troodon right there. Let's take a look at that one right there. This one's coming in at $802, and absolutely beautifully done by Microtech right there. They've distressed these so perfectly, and they make it so that, and it was something that was really interesting while we were talking to them. You know, a lot of people buy new knives and they're scared to carry them. They're scared they're going to scratch them up. Well, the distressed ones, you don't have to be scared that you're going to scratch it up because it comes pre-scratched for you. But it also looks really cool and distressed, and this is a badass knife right there. M390 on the blade steel, and this thing is absolutely gorgeous. They're all going to have their serial number right there and their born on date, and this one of course has the Bounty Hunter symbol right there. Going to have the glass breaker on the back end, red accents, and the green and yellow Bounty Hunter theme right there. Absolutely beautiful knives. Now, in addition to showing you all of these for May the 4th be with you, we're also going to be doing a giveaway. That's right. We just hit 45,000 subscribers, and we want to thank you guys. So we are actually going to be giving away your very own orange lightsaber right here, the Benchmade Raghorn. So here's how you're going to enter. I'm going to show you that Raghorn. This one you can enter to win. All you got to do is click the link in the description below. There's going to be an up viral link. And the more actions you perform on that up viral link, the more entries you're going to get to win this Benchmade Raghorn with the carbon fiber handles, with the anodized orange pivot collars. This is a full tang fixed blade CPM crew wear on the blade steel, and it's got that blade coating to help preserve it right there. And this is going to be an absolutely wonderful outdoor knife, skinning knife, hunting knife. It's coming with the Kydex sheath right there, which locks in place really nicely. So enter to win that as a thank you for 45,000 subscribers. It has been one heck of a ride, and we are super stoked because we've got a lot more coming. Now, not only do we have some really cool content coming up from our trip to Microtech, but it looks like we might also have some exclusives on the way from Microtech. So stay tuned for that. And if you're going to Blade Show, you're going to get a sneak peek at some really interesting stuff. You're going to get to see that new knife. So stay tuned. We are super excited as always, folks. It's been me, TC, here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, smkw.com. And remember, if it cuts like a war of the stars, then we carry it. Yeah, baby.